So, now see here, in this question a person with normal near 0.25 centimeter using compound microscope with an objective of focal length 8 millimeter, it means FO is equal to 8 millimeter, that is 0.8 centimeter, and FE is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and now can bring an object place 9 millimeter, that is here u naught is equal to minus 9 millimeter, that is 0.9 centimeter from the objective in star focus. What is the separation between the two lenses? So, we have to get L. We know is L is equal to V naught plus minus UE. So, first we have to calculate here the V naught and UE. We are given here VE is equal to minus 25 centimeter, because the final image is formed at a distance of the 25 centimeter. Now, see here in this question you have to go through the working of the compound microscope in detail, then easily you can solve it. Do not go for the formula, just like if you use the formula and get it, you may commit any mistake. So, now first we will use this formula. For the objective we can write 1 upon F naught is equal to 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon U naught, and for eyepiece we can write 1 upon Fe is equal to 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE. So, first I will go for this one here eyepiece, and we can get in this case 1 upon Fe is equal to 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE. So, 1 upon Fe is equal to 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE. So, we can write 1 upon 2.5 is equal to, here in this case 1 upon, here we can take minus 25 centimeter, and then we can write here minus 1 upon UE, and then we can write 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon minus 25 centimeter and minus 1 upon 25 centimeter. Then we can write 1 upon UE is equal to, minus we can take common. So, 1 upon 25 plus this is 2.5, that can be here plus 10 upon 25. So, 1 upon UE is equal to minus 11 upon 25. So, we can write VE here, UE is equal to 20 minus 25 by 11 is equal to minus 2.27 centimeter. So, this we have got now here in this case UE, and now we can calculate VE also here. So, 1 upon Fe is equal to 1 upon VE minus, sorry, that is already we have calculated. So, we have to calculate V naught. So, 1 upon F naught is equal to 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon U naught here. So, we know it 1 upon F naught is here the focal length of objective, that is 8 millimeter. So, 1 upon 0.8 is equal to 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon 0.9. So, we can write 1 upon V naught is equal to 1 upon 0.8 plus 1 upon 0.9, and we can solve this.